Hi everyone, Sarah Elizabeth here with a quick hand washing tip from the Ingles table for your health and safety. I'm a preschool teacher and washing hands is a big deal in my world. Here's a quick process that I like to follow from the World Health Organization that takes about 1 minute. Wet your hands all over with water. Apply enough soap to cover both surfaces of each hand. Rub your hands palm to palm to get a good amount of foam. Then rub one palm over the top of the other hand with interlaced fingers. Take 10 seconds for each step. Then the other hand. Next, rub your hands palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Now make little choir hands and rub them together about 5 or 6 times. Then flip and rub 5 or 6 times again. Next, grab your thumb and rotate it a few times. Then grab the other thumb and rotate it a few times. To clean the tips of your fingers, make little hearts on the palm of your hand. Then switch. Then rinse your hands to get all the soap off. Dry your hands and then use your towel to turn off the faucet. To help my students remember, I say, terrific people clean their hands for tops, palms, choir, thumbs, hearts. And that's it. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'll see you next time at the Ingles table.